Hi, I'm Mimi Sato-Re, and we're here at Spotted Dog today, and this is...
I'm Mike Plachy.
And he's a physical therapist in the El Dorado Hills area.
He's a physician in El Dorado Hills. Yeah.
And we're here to teach We Got Yoga Back at Spotted Dog. And we're going to be talking about the anatomy of the back, especially the low back, and going into the causes of injury, how to prevent yourself from becoming injured, and screening for back weaknesses.
Yeah. We're going to talk specifically about the core, how the core functions, with some different ideas in there that I think will be really helpful for people to learn. And we're going to talk about how posture relates to core function, and that's going to be really helpful for yoga as well as your daily activities. Yeah!
Awesome job!
That was great. Awesome class.
We just finished We Got Yoga Back at Spotted Dog. It was an awesome experience.
So fun.
Upcoming experiences that you may want to sign up for or look for, we will be doing the hips and the wrists next in our series of trying to keep you healthy in yoga.
Hope to see you there.